Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Strava. We click on settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will scrolling down until you find this window of Strava app and you will click here. Then in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.